Hello, today's topic is counting of triangles. Now let us learn how to count number of triangles. Say in this figure, there are two partitions, so number of triangles are 2. Here, there are 4 partitions, so number of triangles are 4. Here, there are 6 partitions, so number of triangles are 6. Now, when both the diagonals are cutting, figure like this, there are 4 partitions, so number of squares, number of triangles are 4 into 2, 8. Here there are 6 partitions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of triangles are 6 into 2, 12. Here there are 8 partitions. So number of triangles are 8 into 2, 16. Now see a figure like this. There is 6 square. So there are 8 partitions. So in this square 8 into 2, 16 triangles. Now I have added this one more triangle here, which has got 1, 2 and the 3 more. That is 1, 3. 3 more. And because of this triangle, these 2 bigger triangles are also formed. So those are 2. So total triangles are 21. So in this figure, in the bigger square, there are 8 partitions, so 16. In the middle square, again there are 8 partitions, 16. So total triangles are 32. See here. In this there are 4 partitions, so 8. In this also 4 partitions, so 8. And because of these 2 points are also again forming a triangle. So this and these 2 triangles. So total number of triangles becomes 8. In this figure, 4 partitions, so 8, 4 partitions, 8, 4 partitions, 8. Now this point, every point is forming one triangle again, plus 4. Total number of triangles 28. Now see figure like this. When a triangle, I have drawn a perpendicular or any line bisecting the base, so 1 and 2. So here number of triangles are 2 plus 1, 3. When there were 3 partitions, number of triangles are 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Here there are 4 partitions, 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of triangles are 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, 10. See in this figure, bigger triangle, 4 partitions, so number of triangles 10. Small triangle, again 4 partitions, number of triangles 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Here there were 3 partitions, so bigger triangle, middle triangle, and small triangles. Each was having 4 partitions each. So each triangle is having 10 triangles. So total triangles are 10 plus 10 plus 10. 50. Now when 2 triangles are intersecting in this way, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 more bigger triangles, number of triangles are 8. Now see, in this figure, I have to find out the number of triangles. So I'll bifurcate the figure. Say I can divide it into the 4 triangles. A, B, C is one triangle. In C, there are 2 partitions. So we know when there are 2 partitions in a triangle, the number of triangles are 3. Now A, D, E. This triangle also has got a 2 partition. So number of triangles here also is 3. Now A, F, G is another triangle. It has got 1, 2, 3 partitions. So number of triangles in this will be 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. And another triangle is there, A, J, K, bigger one. This has got 1, 2, 3, 4 partitions. So number of triangles here will be 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, 10. So total number of triangles becomes 22. Now see, from these 2 vertices, lines are drawn and figure is like this. In this, what we do? We count the partitions on the base and on the say right hand side. I take on the right hand side. On the base there are 2 partitions. On the right hand side also there are 2 partitions. But this 2 is common. This square is common to both. So my number of triangles in this figure will be 2 cubed. That is 8. I'll take a different example. Say in this figure, on the base there are 1 and 2. On the side there are 1, 2. But this 2 is not common. This both 2 is separate, independent. So number of triangles in this figure will be 2 cubed plus 2 cubed is equal to 16. the find in this figure. On the base, I count 1, 2, and 3. On the right hand side, 1, 2, and 3. Here 3 is common to both. So it is 3, 27. Now let us find the number of triangles in this figure. So I'll put the numbering 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if number is 1, triangle is 1 only. If number is 2, that means this figure is this much. My number of triangles will be 5. If number is 3, that means my triangle is this much. My number of triangles will be 13. And in this figure, as where number is 4, my number of triangles will be 27. If this was 5 also, my number of triangles would have been 48. Now let me explain you how I have found out this. See in this figure, we'll number the vertex. There are total 15 vertices in this thing. So I have numbered them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now we find from vertex 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 triangles are formed. So from number vertex 1, there are 4 triangles. Now we find from vertex number 2 and 3, 3 triangles are formed. 1, the bigger one, and the bigger one. So 3 into 2, 6. From figure point vertex 4, 5, and 6, 2 triangles are formed. This and the bigger one, this. So 2 into 3, 6. And from vertex 7, 8, 9, and 10, only one triangle is being formed. So 4. So this becomes 20. These were all upright triangles, but there are some inverted triangles also, which we can count actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 are very clearly visible, but 7th was not visible. The 7th is this bigger one. This bigger one, 7. So these are the 7. So that makes total 27. So I have written here, say from vertex 5, 8, and 9, 5, 8, and 9, there is 1, 1, 1 inverted. From vertex 12 and 14, there is again 1 and 1 triangle. And from vertex 13, there are 2. This one and this bigger one. There are 7. So total makes 27. I hope you have understood the concept. If you have liked the explanation, please subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.